guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in this video, I want to tell you about my dear sister. So, I actually have 4 siblings. The first is a girl, sister Vira. The second is a boy, brother Faiz. The third is a girl, sister Vanessa. And lastly, the fourth is me, the youngest Fasia. Before I was born, my dear siblings, Vanessa, had already passed away at the age of 2 years. The cause was because she drank medicine that she took by Sandy. At that time, she was being looked after by your grandmother because my father was at the office and my mother was at school. So we had all been with your grandmother since we were little. What I know about the incident is that grandma was in the kitchen and she was playing in her room alone. I don't know what kind of medicine it was, but it was expired medicine. I also don't really know how she managed to drink it. Then when she had drunk the medicine, she fainted with foam coming out of her mouth. Fortunately, it didn't last long. My grandmother immediately realized why she was making any noise. So grandma immediately checked on her in the room. Grandmother was immediately shocked and took her to the community health center. When my mother was still in school, was internet restless. When my mother was sitting in front of the classroom door, my auntie, who is my mother, came to tell me the names. My mother immediately and went to the health counter. When my mother came to the health counter, my sister and consumed but only for a moment. She opened her eyes and saw my mother. Then she closed her eyes again and breathed her last. So that's the story about my dear sister. I really want to see what my sister looks like because until now I don't know her face. She said every time she was photographed, it was always blurry or dark. Maybe that's a thing. Even though I've never met my sister, I always miss you. Al-Fatihah, Sister Vanessa. That's the story about my dear sister. I apologize if there are any wrong words. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.